story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and today we are finally doing the reveal video. I know it's been a long time coming. Thank you guys for bearing with me, but we are finally here, okay? Thank you so much for riding it out and being patient with me and making these videos and putting everything together. If you like what you've seen, if you like interior design, make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you hit the bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. Okay, so this is all the items that are going in the living room. Got a little bit of everything. Plant pots, baskets, lamp, lots and lots of plants. Gonna leave baby, gonna leave big, Monstera de Celosia, snake, and cactus. And there's eucalyptus over there. And then we got ottoman. Gotta put the artwork in the frames. Got some books. Gotta put the pillows on pillowcases. And that's it. So let's get to it. This is Desenio. It's my favorite place to get artwork and the only place I get artwork. It's based overseas in Sweden. However, they have the most quality prints you will find anywhere. And they also show you how to do gallery walls. This is my favorites area, and these are just some of the favorites that I have chosen. Everything is so beautiful and just the quality is amazing. lamp is ruined. My marble and gold lamp. I think this was like $54. Okay, so I'm getting ready to trace out my frames. So when I get ready to do my collage wall, I'm not struggling. So I'm gonna trace them out with the paper, take painter's tape, hang the collage accordingly on the wall, and then I will hang up the pictures. I'll show you. Much easier when you do it this way. Okay, so they are traced, and now I'll just take my scissors, cut them out. What I'm doing here is I'm basically just measuring where exactly the nail goes. So whenever I go to put my nails in the construction paper, I can just circle where the nail goes, nail it to the wall through the construction paper, and just tear the construction paper off. So it'll be very easy for me to place the photos exactly where they go. Okay, so after careful consideration, I think I am satisfied with the gallery wall. This is why it's really important to do this, y'all. Y'all saw how many times I just had to move things around, and I even had to add a picture because I did not like, there was too much negative space right here. It was just eating me up. So I had to add that one. I'm glad it already went with what we have. So I'm gonna add that picture, which I also got from the Cineo. So they still all go together very well. And I actually like it better with the one added to fill in that little hole. But it looks good. And I already have the holes in them. So literally, all I have to do now is take the nail it in, and then rip the paper off, and all my nails will be perfectly in place. This one and this one does not have the holes yet because I haven't got those oak frames. I'll have to go pick them up today. I forgot to change the address to have them delivered to this house. Duh. So they actually went to the old house. So once it says delivered, I'm going to run over there and get them. Or I'll just have Chris grab them when he go get the boys from school, which is more than likely probably what I'll do. Just have him pick it up then. But once I get those, then I'll know exactly where the holes will be, so I can put the holes in those. But yeah, it's so easy. Oh, and while we were doing that, we have a delivery. The table that goes there has arrived. So now we have another project to do. Okay, so I have it unboxed. Broke a little sweat, but it's okay. But it's not that many pieces. So hopefully it's not hard or takes long to put together. How many steps? 4 steps. That's what I'm talking about. 4 steps. Yes. Piece of cake, piece of pie. Okay, that will wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that you saw. Thank you so much for watching. I loved how everything turned out. It was my eclectic style that I love. It has different mixture of, you know, a little bit of modern with a little bit of industrial, with a little bit of chic. Everything just turned out and blended in very, very well. It has a good style and a good mix of style for me and my husband. It's not too masculine and it's not too feminine, so it's like the perfect blend. And I love the touches of green. Everything just turned out really, really good. I love how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can be notified when I post any videos. Thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all next time.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.